Every product begins long before the factory, on carefully managed goat farms. Routine health inspections help maintain herd quality and traceability.
Managed grazing helps preserve land while supporting livestock production. Balanced feed is prepared using carefully controlled agricultural systems.
Nutrition programs help maintain consistent growth and livestock health.
Environmental controls help maintain stable conditions throughout the year. Digital tracking allows every animal to remain identifiable throughout the supply chain. Large-scale processing facilities combine multiple operations within a single integrated site. Once prepared, the livestock begins its carefully coordinated journey to the processing facility. Every shipment is documented to maintain traceability throughout the supply chain. Transportation connects agricultural production with industrial processing. Environmental conditions are monitored throughout the journey. Modern logistics systems provide constant visibility across the transport network. Efficient transportation helps maintain a steady flow of livestock to processing facilities.
Routine inspections help ensure safe and efficient transportation.
Large-scale facilities depend on precise scheduling and controlled access.
Every movement is planned to ensure smooth and organized logistics.
From the farm, the journey now continues toward the goat processing plant.
Centralized monitoring helps coordinate the facility's many systems. With transportation complete, the goats now enter the processing facility. The first production stage focuses on organization, sanitation, and process control.
The facility's controlled environment begins where transportation ends.
The receiving area serves as the gateway into the processing chain. Incoming livestock is documented before moving further into the facility.
Digital systems coordinate every stage of facility operations.
Holding areas provide an organized transition between transport and processing.
The somatic cell count is slightly elevated here.
I noted that.
No.
Rescanning the tag now for confirmation.
Strict sanitation procedures help maintain operational standards.
Behind every operation is a network of supporting infrastructure.
Personnel preparation is a critical part of daily operations.
Every production stream is monitored from a centralized control system.
Automation improves consistency and operational efficiency.
Integrated monitoring allows departments to operate as one coordinated system.
Automated handling systems reduce interruptions between stages. Digital tracking maintains traceability throughout the facility. Sorting systems help coordinate the flow of production. Automated transport reduces delays between production stages.
Industrial data networks provide visibility across the entire facility. The facility's primary production systems now begin coordinated operation. Digital monitoring helps maintain operational consistency.
Industrial equipment is designed for efficiency, durability, and hygiene.
Continuous oversight helps keep operations running smoothly.
Modern facilities maximize utilization by directing materials to specialized operations. Preparation ensures each specialized department is ready for continuous operation.
Multiple product streams emerge from a single integrated manufacturing process. Specialized finishing systems prepare products for final presentation. Automated routing keeps multiple product streams moving efficiently.
The next stage focuses on refinement, consistency, and final preparation.
Connected systems help maintain traceability throughout production. Preparation systems help synchronize production with packaging demand.
Automation supports consistency across large-scale production.
Separate departments transform materials into a variety of industrial products.
Industrial preparation stages create the foundation for leather manufacturing.
Specialized manufacturing streams maximize resource utilization.
Additional manufacturing streams convert materials into agricultural products. Drying systems help prepare products for later finishing stages.
Precision measurement helps maintain consistency across every product category.
Precision finishing enhances uniformity and preparation for downstream industries.
Continuous monitoring helps maintain product specifications. Conditioning systems help prepare products for distribution. Facility-wide oversight ensures alignment across every operation.
Sampling procedures provide additional verification before final release.
Data-driven maintenance helps reduce unexpected downtime.
As automation completes its work, products advance toward final refinement.
At this stage, every product stream undergoes its final refinements.